Do you dream of starting your mornings with a perfect cup of coffee in a beautifully styled space? Are you wondering how to turn a small corner into a cozy, Instagram-worthy coffee bar? Whether you're a casual sipper or a serious espresso enthusiast, the right decor can elevate your entire coffee experience. In this video, we'll explore brilliant coffee bar decor ideas that can transform any space into a stylish caffeine haven. Let's brew some creativity and get inspired.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the essentials for setting up a coffee bar at home? A well-designed coffee bar starts with the basics, and having a strong foundation will make decorating easier and more fun. First, choose a location. This could be a kitchen nook, a cart, a cabinet, or even a floating shelf near an outlet. Make sure it's accessible and convenient. Second, equip your station with must-haves like a coffee machine, mugs, stirrers, and storage containers. These should be both functional and beautiful. Third, use trays or baskets to organize everything neatly and prevent clutter, giving your coffee bar a clean and inviting look. CTA, if you found this idea helpful, give this video a like and share it with a coffee-loving friend. How can I add personality and charm to my coffee bar decor? Adding character to your coffee space makes it feel uniquely yours and elevates the vibe. First, incorporate wall art with quotes like "But first coffee" or vintage cafe signs that reflect your style. Second, use decorative canisters and containers that match your overall color scheme or theme. Think rustic, modern, or farmhouse. Third, include small plants or faux greenery to breathe life into the space without taking up too much room. CTA, got a unique idea for your coffee bar? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. What are some space-saving ideas for small coffee bars? Limited on space? No problem. Small coffee bars can be just as stylish and functional. First, use wall-mounted shelves to free up counter space while displaying mugs, syrups, or decor items. Second, opt for a slim rolling cart that you can tuck into a corner and move around as needed. Third, hang hooks underneath cabinets or shelves to store mugs and tools vertically, maximizing every inch. CTA. Want to revisit these ideas later? Save this video to your playlist. Check the description. What types of lighting work best for coffee bar areas? The right lighting not only adds ambiance, but also makes your coffee ritual more enjoyable. First, install under-cabinet LED lights or puck lights to create a subtle, warm glow. Second, pendant lights above a countertop coffee bar can add a decorative touch and great lighting. Third, for small setups, consider using a chic table lamp or battery-powered lantern for an inviting atmosphere. CTA, looking for more coffee bar styles? Check the description for more similar videos. How do I decorate a coffee bar for different seasons? Seasonal decor keeps your coffee bar feeling fresh and festive all year long. In the fall, add mini pumpkins, copper accents, and cozy textures like plaid napkins. For winter, think evergreen garlands, holiday mugs, and cinnamon-scented candles to add warmth. Spring and summer call for florals, pastel colors, and fresh lemon or mint accents for a light and airy feel. CTA, for more home decor. What modern coffee bar decor ideas are trending right now? If your taste leans modern, there are plenty of sleek ways to express it through your coffee bar. Choose a monochrome or neutral palette. Think matte black, white, and natural wood. Use minimalist containers, geometric accents, and open shelving for a clean, clutter-free style. Add smart touches like digital timers, sleek espresso machines, and modern art prints. CTA, want to see more of the items featured? Check the description for products as seen in this video. How can I incorporate a rustic or farmhouse style into my coffee bar? Rustic decor brings warmth and charm, perfect for creating a cozy coffee bar. Use reclaimed wood shelves or a distressed cabinet to create that farmhouse feel. Add galvanized metal trays, mason jar containers, and enamel mugs for authentic rustic touches. Decorate with vintage signage, burlap elements, and warm neutral tones to complete the look. CTA, curious about where I got some of the decor shown? Products are listed in the description below. Now you've got everything you need to design a coffee bar that's not just functional, but also full of personality. Whether you're going for cozy farmhouse vibes, sleek modern minimalism, or a playful theme, your coffee bar can become the most loved corner of your home. So go ahead, brew up your dream decor. Your perfect cup of coffee deserves the perfect space.